A couple of weeks ago I took the first ride for this season. It was in February and it was a little cold, even if the weather was okay and it was dry outside. No snow or ice on the road. But it was a little cold to ride. It was around 1 or 2 degrees Celsius. But today it's around 7 or maybe 8 degrees Celsius. And it's now 11 o'clock. And I plan to go for a ride right now and see how the road is, and maybe make me a cup of coffee or something like that. Now I will go and change my clothes, and then I will be back when I'm out on the bus. And now I'm out and ready for a ride. The weather is amazing, so yeah, I will go and see you later.
Okay, nice. Now I'm out again riding, and I think I will go to Åtorp, the place where I was the last time of last season, and I will make me a cup of coffee, and then I will probably go back home again. It feels really nice to be out riding again, and I am looking forward to this summer. And my plan is to do some riding in Norway during my vacation. That's the plan. I'm not sure if I will go on the Tet or if I will go tarmac all the way. I have to see. I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided that. But I will go some stretches in Norway at least. I forgot to bring me my coffee, so I have to go to a store and see if I can get me some coffee. And I guess that some of you, if you are riding Swedish Tet, you will recognize this bridge and this little village. I found me some coffee, so now I just have to go to the nice place at the lake and make me the coffee. here we have a little ice and snow in the shadow, in the shaded part of the forest, where the sun doesn't reach the ground. So it's better to take it a little easy and not go too fast, because now I will make a cup of coffee and enjoy this beautiful day. I forgot to bring my coffee, so I have to stop in Åtorp and get a new package of coffee. And yeah, I had to buy some stuff that I normally have in my top box. So yeah, but here I am. I will put this stove away from where I am sitting. Actually, I should have it on the ground actually, but yeah, I think I can handle it anyway. So it's really nice weather. It's so wonderful to sit here. It's quiet. The only thing I can hear right now is my stove, and I also can hear people that living in a house just over the road, the other side of the road. It smells really good here. You can smell pine tree. Oh, it smells wonderful. It's really nice. The sun is warming the ground and the tree, and it's a lot of pine tree needles, I guess, on the floor, and it starts to fill the air with yeah, the smell from those thing. So Well, that was all for this time. I hope you liked the video, and I also hope that you stay on my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in next video. Bye!